What's going on, guys? Welcome to ASAS. Today I'll be showing you how to make beats like Omah-Lay's song. So let's get right into it. On my FL Studio DAW already, and now I've set the tempo to 97. I just want to show you how to make the drum pattern, and you can use any drum kit or any producer's drum kit or any drum samples that I'm going to be showing you right here that sounds the same. So first of all, I'm going to enlarge my so you can see what I'm doing. Just going to enlarge each one. Alright, so first thing you are going to do, set your tempo to 97, 96, not more than 99. But if you want, if as the spirit leads, you can change it to 90. More than 99. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do after setting the tempo 99, 97, I'm going to take my shaker loop. Sounds like this. So you can use the 001 normal shaker. I'm just going to drag this inside, so it sounds like this. Then after that, I'll drag in another shaker which sounds like this. So I'm going to drag it here and duplicate it so it sounds like this. Yeah, I know the two is sounding, but you can actually pan it later on as you mix. So next thing I'm going to do, there's a drum sample here that sounds like this. We all know this is not Omahlay style at all. So I'm actually going to stop it and I'm going to do something. I just want to use the percussion sounding inside of it. So take the percussion, reduce the length to get something like this, and now you're going to arrange it the way I'm going to arrange it right now. So we have, let me turn this one off. Go. So we have this one, and then you're just going to duplicate it like this. Okay, sorry, duplicate it like this, then duplicate it again and again and again, and we're done. So yeah, Omahlay vibe. Okay, so this last part we can just turn down the snap to none, and then we can reduce this one a little bit, and then have something like this, like a triple snare. Okay, like this. Okay, yeah, so with the shakers, so later on we're going to pan it, but let's just continue. Then we're going to add the kick. Then why I added this is because this is another drum sample. Now I don't want to use everything, I just want to use just the snare. So I'm still going to reduce it like this. So we have here something like this. So I'm going to copy the same thing, turn the snap to line, and I'm going to be using this one when the chorus hits, like snare. That's when you get the feeling of, yes, this is the chorus. So something like this is going to be playing in the background for the chorus. Why this is for the chorus? Okay, then one of the shaker will be for the chorus. So I can drag this one down. That's when we're arranging the beat. So let's just continue. The last thing I'm going to add, without wasting most of the time, is the kick. So I'm using that type of kick, and then we're just going to paste it. Pattern 1. Okay, so if you're wondering what I did there, I just arranged the kick. just let me clean it, erase it, and this is what I did. 1 2, just 1 1. So yeah, 3, 1 2 3, yeah. So I'm going to put the last one here, and then this one sounds. So with this snare, yeah, and that's just all for the beat. So we're going to arrange it just like this. It's just, you know, the drum pattern 2. So I have the chorus and the snare here aren't playing. Okay, I'm just going to erase the snare from here to this point, and then I'm going to drag this out so it forms a chorus right here, and this is the verse. So we'll clean this, so we have something like this. Go. Okay, we'll start immediately with it. Then we have the first verse, we have the second verse, and then we'll go into the chorus. Yeah, so you know, add your transition into it. You can make the chorus 2. Yeah, another verse now. Then here we make the chorus twice. So that's how to make beats, Omahlay type of, you know, drum pattern. And then you can add in your rolls, you can add in your snare and your clap snare that's a no reverb, a lot of reverb. But this is just the basic Omahlay type of drum pattern. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for our next video. Thank you.